Villi. These are villi, and that will be in what organ?
Small
Small intestine, because you don't find them anywhere else. Okay. What I particularly don't like about this is, well, actually several things. First off, of course, they're not all going to be straight up like that, but it does let you get an idea that they are separate from each other. I don't like that the epidermal layer, which we call the microvilli, do not look to be simple columnar in every case. I mean, that's got to be the squarest looking cell I've ever seen. And it is simple columnar. How can they build a model and sell it for hundreds and hundreds of dollars? Well, why couldn't they, I don't get it. Why,
It's more like simple colloidal.
these are simple columnar. That's great, but too bad. Down in here in the gastric, intestinal crypt, okay, where enzymes are released, those are pretty columnar looking here. But these are columnar despite the model. You have to remember, it's simple columnar throughout the GI tract except for the upper esophagus, which again, of course, is simple squamous. Repetition is what this is all about. This combination of arteriole and venule over here, this is the lamina propria. This is the lamina propria, this area. So we have an epithelial layer, we have lamina propria, and underneath it we do have a layer shown in red here of muscle. Okay. That would be the muscularis mucosa. But what you need to remember is this is the villus, the small intestine, it has to be. This is lamina propria. And over here, something we've never talked about, this structure is a lacteal. L-A-C-T-E-A-L. L-A-C-T-E-A-L. And obviously I wouldn't spell it, it's not important. What makes it important is if it's on the test, right? No, it's important anyway. The function of a lacteal is to absorb lipids from the lumen. So once a lipid is emulsified enough to get across the epithelial layer, it should enter into the lacteal. Okay. This little circular area here is a blow-up of this down here, and that's what I call the intestinal crypt. Okay, that's sort of an indentation going down here. This is not coming up; these are going down, and digestive enzymes are being released from these cells here. That's just in case you wanted to know what that is and couldn't figure it out, because it really is a little too symmetrical. Okay, that's all there is for that one. There's a torso model. That's, I believe, a